In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp chat button to Odoo. We'll begin from the Odoo home screen. First, choose the correct database and then continue to the main dashboard. This is the central area where you can access all of your installed modules and manage your workspace. If you work with multiple databases, just make sure you're entering the one where you want the WhatsApp feature to be added. Once you're on the main dashboard, open the Apps section. This is where Odoo lets you browse, install, and manage additional features for your system. Think of it as the place where you expand what Odoo can do for your business. When the apps page appears, you'll see a list of available applications and modules. This page is useful because it allows you to search for tools that add new functions to your Odoo environment. If you have a lot of apps available, don't worry, you can use the search and filter tools to find what you need much faster. Next, look for the WhatsApp app in the list. You can scroll through manually, or, for a quicker method, use the filter or search bar to locate it right away. This is especially helpful if your Odoo setup includes many modules and the list feels crowded. Once you find the WhatsApp app, click Install. At this point, Odoo will begin adding the module to your system. This step is important because it enables the WhatsApp functionality that will later support chat-related features and configuration inside your database. Now give it a moment for the installation to finish. Depending on your system speed and internet connection, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. It's best not to interrupt the process while Odoo completes the setup in the background. After that, you can go back to the main dashboard to check whether the installation has completed. If the WhatsApp icon does not appear right away, refresh the page until it becomes visible. That icon is your confirmation that the module has been installed successfully. The reason this matters is that integrating WhatsApp with Odoo can help streamline communication. It gives businesses a more direct way to connect with customers, support leads, and manage conversations from within the same platform they already use for operations. That can improve response time and make communication more organized. Once the WhatsApp icon appears on the main dashboard, you're ready to move forward with the rest of the configuration. At this stage, the app has been added successfully, and your system is prepared for the next setup steps. And that's it for this part of the process. You've now installed the WhatsApp app in Odoo and confirmed that it's available on your dashboard. Thanks for watching, and you can now continue with the remaining configuration to fully set up your WhatsApp chat button.